Your Vaultek RS500i features an oversized fingerprint scanner for enhanced sensitivity and speed. When scanning, be sure your finger is placed flat and your cuticle is aimed in the center of the scanner. This will help your safe read as much detail as possible for consistent results. Explore multiple fingers to see which one has the most success. Your thumb has a higher surface area and can also be used. You can enroll the same finger 2 or 3 times to increase your response rate. To get started enrolling your first fingerprint, open the safe and locate the program button inside the front door. Press and hold the 2 key followed by the program button together until the LCD screen prompts you for the first of 5 scans. Scan your finger and the safe will prompt you for your second scan. Lift your finger and reposition slightly to scan again. Continue this series of lifting and scanning for a total of 5 scans to complete the first enrollment. The first 2 enrolled users are considered administrative. To enroll additional users, you will need to scan one of the administrative fingerprints first. After you've enrolled the first 2 administrative prints, you can add other users. Press and hold the 2 key, followed by the program button together until the LCD screen prompts you to scan an administrative print. After authorization, you will be prompted to enroll a new user. Your safe can store up to 20 different fingerprints, with the first 2 serving as the administrative prints.